So in this video I'm going to show you the raw footage from this toothpick drone and post-production in Gyroflow and also the goggle view. One of my subscribers from this video, Epic Waterline, said, could you please also do an upload with an in-goggle recording? I would love to see the unstabilised picture like I would see in the goggles. So in this first section of video, this is the actual raw footage from the DJI O3 Air unit with no stabilisation setting set. This is raw footage as it is. You would take it off your card. So in this next section, this is stabilised in Gyroflow. All I've done is literally grabbed that file and literally dropped it in Gyroflow, and as you can see, Gyroflow does a great job of getting all that unstabilised, unbalanced footage from your O3 Air unit. I would like to add, it depends on how you fly. If you fly nice and delicate, then that's what your footage will come out. Your footage will come out better if you're a nice flyer. If you're a bit of an aggressive flyer, then it has a hard time trying to balance that footage out. So last but not least, this is the actual footage that I see when I'm flying the drone in my DJI goggles. This is what I see. This is a 16:9 ratio. There are different ratios you can fly within, but I think I'm using all of the sensor from the DJI O3 Air unit. This is the one I choose. Whether it's the correct one or not is going to be entirely up to you, how you want to fly, what details you want to see, and also how much of that sensor you want to use on your O3 Air unit. So this is it. This is the end of the video. I'll leave you to watch the on-screen footage, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. I hope that answers your questions.